All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be showing you some cases from Rinky. Now, obviously, I really like the Rinky Onyx. This is the Rinky Onyx non-MagSafe version, but I have a ton of other ones that are MagSafe or magnetic is what they're calling it, where it's a MagSafe style where you can put things on it and attach it to your accessories or whatever. But here's the dark green version of the Onyx. Beautiful color. You can see the camera cutout. Do wish it was individually cut out, but it is what it is. The modules have a bigger cover on it, so it still looks pretty cool. Volume rocker, power, a little bit of branding here. Lanyard spot right there, lanyard over there, and you have bumpers or corner stops on each one. And especially when you see it from this angle here, it slopes up like that towards the front. So when you lay it down, if you didn't have a screen protector or tempered glass or anything on there, it would definitely still work for you. So I'll pop it off here. Oh, this does work with wireless charging. Where's my wireless charger? I'll go ahead and show you that because I know a lot of people definitely like to see that it works with wireless charging. The new charging animation is super cool, even though this phone doesn't charge that fast. And all these cases will work with wireless charging, just so you know. So now I'm going to show you a magnetic case from their Silicone lineup, and it's actually pretty cool. Here it is right here. This is the Silicone Magnetic Galaxy S25 Plus Black version. Yeah, very seldom do I get any silicone cases, but this one has a nice micro. This is a heavy duty silicone case too, but it's not thick. It's not like overbearing, overpowering. It's so nice and soft touch. And it's gonna go well with this blue-black color here. So you've got the little liquid silicone branding in there. You see the MagSafe or magnetic, super strong magnets in here. I mean, really good. And we're gonna pop it in. And this color looks so good with this foam, man. It just looks so good. And look here, what I like most, the camera cutouts are individually done. And the reason I like this is not just because it looks better, but it's more protection around that entire area there. And it may be fragile when they're not on the phone, probably some of you guys might think, but when it's on the phone, it's protected. And you can see how deep that hole is there for the recess of the LED lighting there, but ports, everything lines up perfectly. And again, wireless charging will work. I'll go ahead and do it though. Some of you guys often are concerned about that. You want to actually see it done. There you go. And we're going to go ahead and show you another case here. This is a great feeling case too. I mean, it is really, really good. Buttons are nice and tactile on all of these cases, man. So this is a beautiful looking case. You want to hear a true story? This is my first time feeling a silicone case from Rinky. Yeah. Now we're going to go to the next case here. This is the Fusion case, and this is the matte clear, which is like top of the line clear case for me. I love matte cases and things like that. So, and remember, you get the Rinky. Oh, they give a green one in this one. That's pretty cool. They give a green one in this one. All the other ones I have are stickers are a colorful sticker, and I'll show you the one that I just pulled out of the other one. So this is pretty cool. You have a green one now. I've never seen that green one before. So I got the limited green joint. Okay. All right, so let's pop off this case here. This case is very nice. I got a feeling this is going to be a hot seller. Is this Rinky's first time doing a silicone case? I don't know, but I got to tell you, that thing is fire. This thing is really nice. We'll stack these out of the way here. Now let's get to this one here. You want to pull that off and make sure we get it. And then we'll go ahead and put the phone in. Ooh, look at that matte. You know, I'm wondering why a lot of companies don't do the entire case in matte. Like, why not? It would be so beautiful. That green. Ooh. Have you guys seen the green sticker before? I have all of the other ones are this color. The green is like that limited. I feel special with the green joint. But yeah, all the cutouts over here around the camera. This time it's open again, but the LED light is deeply recessed and it is surrounded there properly, to my standards, that is. And again, all these cases have like a bumper stop on the corners. And in the clear case, you can actually see like where the bumpers are, which is really cool. And you can also feel it. And you got your lanyard spots here. You do have a little bit of branding here for Ringke, very faint right there. And this mat is just, you gotta love it. All right, let's do it. 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 Charging animation is cool. And here's the clear mat. I mean, this is just beautiful, man. Now, last case I want to bring in is the Fusion X, and this is the clear and black version. Shout out to Rinky for always supporting the channel. And here we go. Look, here's another one. See, all the other ones are like this. Yeah, but that green joint right there, I'm a part of the limited edition club. I don't care what anybody says. I'm a part of the limited edition club. I have the green and one and only green Rinky sticker. Yes. Haha. Look at that. Now, let's go ahead and pop this off here. Ooh, satisfying. Haha. And by the way, I'm recording this with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Why not record the brother with the brother? Man, that case is beautiful. Let's pop this on. And now, last one. Can we get a good one? It was all right. It was all right. Let's do it. There it is. Battery wireless charger takes a second to start up. But here we go, folks. This is, now the camel version of this is top tier. The clear version is nice if you want to show off the color of your phone, but the camel version of this, fire. When you get to the link in the description, you will be able to find the camel version if you want the camel version more than likely. But this one is like the ultimate, like if they were to make, because that's the camel version though, so I shouldn't say if they were to do it, because technically they do it. They make a matte version, but that's the camel version. It's got the camel design in there. So camel version, top tier. I do like this black one, but camel is my favorite. But if you want to show off the color of your phone, this is it. This is the way. All day long. All day long. You got textured buttons, like, because this is just like their rugged style. It lets you know what up is. So up has got the 3 dots on there. When you look at that, up has the 3 dots and down is smooth, and the power button is textured. And you've got a little FX logo right there. See that? There it is, man. So let's bring all the cases back in as we flex with our green joint. Like I'm the only one who has that green joint right there, man. I feel so special. The green one gets top. The green one goes up top. Look at this. This is nuts. Beautiful, beautiful green. I love the green. Check that out. That lime green joint is fire, man. Ooh, wee. Yes. Yes. The Rinky stickers is fire, man. I like the Rinky stickers. But yeah, here we go, folks. Here they are. The cases. The S25 Plus lineup. There are way more cases and colors and everything with this lineup. This is what Rinky decided to support the channel with, and I appreciate them every time. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's going down. It's going down. It is going down. I'll see you in the next one. Link in the description to purchase. Take care.